Hey there, it's Peter with Equappment. In this video, we're going to take you through some more HDD tools. This is in the More section on the bottom right, and then tap on Tools. And this one is called Soil Conditions Map. So what this is a means of recording different soil conditions in the different areas where you've worked. So that way, when you come back the next time, you can look up on the map and find what the ground conditions were when you last drilled there. So the green pins are entries you've made, and then the red pins are entries that somebody in the Equappment community has made and shared with you. You can tap in the bottom right here where it says Show Public Entries. You can turn that off so it only shows your entries. Turn it back on, and then you have the red ones, which are the shared entries. Tap on a pin, you'll get the ground conditions and the latitude and longitude coordinates that were picked up from the GPS in the device when the reading was made. Tap for more information. You can see what the depth was if it was recorded during a bore log, and what the ground conditions were when it was recorded, and then if it was validated by any users. So that means if for a entry to be validated, it needs to be validated by 4 Equappment users and shared on the soil condition map. So let's go back, and you can always just type in, let's see, Minnesota. Yes, I talk while I type. And we can zoom out, and there's some entries that were made in Minnesota. Tap on one. Looks like we got sand over by Elk River. We can zoom into St. Cloud, St. Joseph, got some cobbles over by St. Joseph. So you get the idea. So to make an entry, just tap in the plus on the upper right, pick your ground conditions. If it's something not listed here, type it in under other, and then what depth you were at. If you know, you don't have to make a depth entry. And then if you want it to be part of the Equappment shared community, leave this on. If not, tap it off. And then just say add soil condition, and it'll show up on your map. All right, that's it for now.